Hey everybody, Smithers here with the Card Grotto, and today we've got some Azurite Sea Illumineers troves. We've had some pretty bad luck outside of the one trove we had with the Great Enchanted Yzma and the Lilo, a couple of the legendaries, but we're gonna see if we can try and look around on this trove. You know, we've only got 8 packs to do it. Let's see if we can do it though. Alright. Get all them packs out. I love the artwork on these packs. Alright, we're gonna start out with our boy Stitch. Stitch and a little pirate scrump. Alright, we got ourselves a Michael Darling, Pirate Rabbit, Galactic Communicator, Iago, Jumbo Pop, Jim Hawkins, Nick Wilde, a Chip, John Silver, Jasmine, Treasure Mountain, and then a foil Kakamora. We're getting tired of these common foils. Give me a legendary foil. Alright, we got another Michael Darling, Pirate Rabbit, Galactic Communicator, Iago, Aunt Cass, Jim Hawkins, Pluto, Pixie Dust, John Silver, Hades, Mad Hatter, and a foil Jim Hawkins. Now, is it just me, or are the first couple of cards in that the same as the one before? That was kind of crazy. Those were the first 4 cards in that set. Alright, and then we had the Jumbo Pot. We had the Jumbo Pop, and then this Jim Hawkins, right? And then that one we had, look at this. That one we had a Michael Darling, then a Rabbit, and then a Galactic Communicator, and then an Iago, and then we had an Aunt Cass, and then a Jim Hawkins. What the heck? What are the chances of that? So yeah, that's pretty crazy. I'm curious if we're gonna see that again in any of these other packs, but you know, it's a good thing to know. Alright, we got some more Stitch. Alright, we got an Aladdin, Naveen's Ukulele, Basil, Sisu, Nick Wilde, Kakamora, David, Billy Bones, the Walrus, Nani, Energy Blast, and a foil Aladdin. Another dud. Come on, Baymax. Give us some luck here, Mr. Baymax. We got Abu, Chief Bogo, Fred, the Carpenter, Jumbo Pop, Kohut, Donald Duck, Dr. Delbert Doppler, Vanellope von Schweetz, Mr. Big, Scar, and then a foil Cobra Bubbles. Not a bad foil. Alright, we got some Yzma. We got Thievery to start out. 100 Acre Island, Stitch, Tinkerbell, Sour Bill, Hercules, Dale, Bellwether, Hey Hey, Rescue a Ranger's Submarine, Seeking the Half Crown, and then a foil Institute of Technology. Gotta call that MIT. Alright, 2 more packs. See what we got here. Alright, we got a Markowski, Dale, Alistar Cree, Juju, Baymax's Healthcare Chip, John Silver, Dale, Training Dummy, Diablo, Cobra Bubbles, You Came Back, this is the Enchanted I'd like, and a foil Donald Duck. So surely this one's got a legendary in it, right? Our theory is correct about every trove containing at least one legendary. We got a Genie, Markowski, Dale, Alistar Kree, Baymax's healthcare chip, John Silver, Grand Councilwoman, Hot Potato, Lose the Way. Then we got the legendary Maui. I think there's two legendaries in here. The legendary Maui Shark, the legendary John Silver, and then I Won't Give In as our foil. So we did get two legendaries right there at the end. Take a closer look at this Maui. It is the 6-cost Inkable 7/5 with Evasive and Chee-hoo! Whenever this character challenges another character, you may return an action card from your discard to your hand. And whenever you play an action, gain 1 lore. Pretty good. Alright, that was better than the last one. Can't complain. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you.